Hello, welcome to our channel. This is Repair Dude. My name is Wesley and I will be guiding you through this repair today. We are repairing a Samsung A13 with a broken screen. As you can see, it's broken badly, but no need to fear, Repair Dude is here. First we start by taking the back cover off. The back cover on these A13 models are a pain to remove, as you can probably see in the video. But as we've been doing this for over 15 years now, we know how to handle these devices with great care. After this, we will need to remove all the screws holding the back plates into place. Beneath all this plastic, we can then remove the motherboard, which is also plastic, and the other internal parts. After we've removed this, we can then start the disassembly of all the internal parts, as these will be fitted into the new screen. We'll fast forward a bit to keep you guys awake during this boring screw removal. After we've removed all the screws, we can then start assembling the new screen. The motherboard, buzzer, ear speaker and all other internal parts are being put back into the new screen as the battery is being prepped to be removed. Once the battery is hot enough, we can then easily remove it from the old screen. We put it back in the new one, add all the plastic, and then it's back to screwing. Once the lock button is back in place, we can put the back cover back on, which is also not an easy job. After this, we turn the phone on, we test all the main functions. We didn't add it in this video because it's pretty boring. If you want to see us test the phones, let us know in the comments, so we will add it on the next video. Once everything is tested and working, we put a complimentary screen protector on. This is done with every screen repair, just an extra service we provide for the customer. Once we clean the screen, we can put the protector on so the adhesive can stick. We've done this multiple times before, so it's not a big deal. And that's it, job done. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.